Welcome to La Union.
Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world.
Hey guys, my name's Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. So today we're at Orbis Tondo Beach once again because they have a ton of like food places.
This morning we're here at El Union, which is their famous food spot, so we're gonna have breakfast now.
I got my usual ice mocha. I love that with soy. That's a must for me.
So I got the signature cold brew. If you're ever here in La Union, check out El Union because their coffee is actually really good. Everyone's recommending it, so we're so glad we got to try it.
Oh, food is here. Oh yeah, so we got Jan and Anne as well.
Hello,
You too. Anne was busy yesterday.
Yeah. She's joining us today.
Yeah. And now Jewel's missing out. So this is our food. We've got beef tapa.
I think we all got some.
Oh, we all got
And I
beef.
have chorizos.
Oh, you got something different.
Yeah. But yeah, Filipino breakfast because we need it for today's hike.
Yeah, we need a lot of energy. We don't know what today will be like at the water.
We need to fuel up.
We've got a big day today. We're actually going to a waterfall. Yeah, it's a bit of a hike. I think it's about a half hour. That's actually the shorter option. But yeah, for now we'll have breakfast and we'll, instead of talking too much about the waterfall, we can't wait to go and show you guys. We'll bring you along the hike and we'll show you how to get there as well. For today, we are going to Tangadan Falls and we're actually at the
San Gabriel Municipal Hall, which
Yep.
is about 10 kilometers away from the falls.
Yeah.
So right here, we kind of got stopped by the tourist guides because they said that we need to get a tourist, which is, I think it's mandatory.
We need to
I'm
get
sorry, we
a
need
tour
to get
guide.
A tour guide.
What the tour guide costs is 700 pesos and that covers up to 5 people.
Yeah.
There's also a 300 peso fee for convoy. So what we're actually going to do is bring Jan's truck. We're going to follow a driver and they're going to be on their own like motor. So that's the cost so far, and then I believe there is a 30 pesos each entrance fee for each of us. So yeah, I believe those are the costs so far.
A few moments later.
We just paid our 30 pesos entrance fee. So you do that in the
Municipal
office.
hall,
The municipal hall. And yeah, so you can't actually DIY this tour because the roads get very sketchy and you even have to sign a waiver back in the hall. This can be quite dangerous. So make sure you're prepared to do this. I think we're prepared to do this.
The road is so windy and so steep, but we're so glad we got a good car going up.
Yeah.
Because it's so steep.
So we have made it to the stop. This is where you park, as you can see. There's not a lot of people here. I think this is gonna be a good trek. I'm hoping it's not too difficult and we can just use our slides.
I think you said about like 15 minutes
Yeah.
trek,
So it's
which
actually
is
not
not
that
too
long.
bad. I think we can do it. And the sun is actually kind of hiding right now, so it's not too hot.
Yeah, it's not blazing hot.
Oh, but I am like already sweating for some reason.
It is quite humid here in the Philippines compared to, back home in Australia. But yeah, I guess let's start the trek. Guys, it's hard to tell on camera, but this is so steep. Kind of just like the drive here, honestly. A bit risky.
I think it's gonna be a long way down, but we'll make it.
So far, at least, the path is paved. It's not too difficult to walk on, but I wonder further down, do we need shoes? So Alex has shoes on, but everyone else has just got like chanelas, slippers and slides. But I think we'll be okay.
A few moments later.
So we're actually now here at the top of the falls, and it's actually looking really nice from up here.
Look, there it is.
Ooh, I'm like sweating so much. The hike down wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it
but-
wasn't too bad. Just very steep.
Yeah.
That's why. So yeah, we're gonna make our way down and we're gonna see how huge this falls is. Would you look at that? What do you think, baby?
It's actually so beautiful. I mean, we haven't showed you the falls yet, but look how calm the water is and the
It's so
color.
clear. Look at that. You can see like the little
Yeah.
boulders and stuff.
So calming.
And it stretches quite a bit far there.
I can't wait to just go in the water because
I know.
it's just the water looks so good. I think it'll be cold, but we need that.
Yeah, we need that. It's good
so
recovery.
beautiful, yeah.
All right, let's head up that way where the waterfall is, and that's where you can swim as well. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
That's huge. We haven't seen anything like this in the Philippines, I think. Aside from the one in Dumaguete, that was very tall, but check this out. Oh my goodness. Let me get you a drone view of this place because this is stunning. What do you think?
Wow, that looks like a paradise, like hidden gem of La Union.
Did you know that this existed here? I mean, I'm sure it's an easy Google search, but you've got to check it out.
Apparently, this is the most popular falls for public. So I'm so glad we got to actually see this here in La Union. The drive was a little bit tough,
Oh, yeah?
but it's worth it,
Yeah.
definitely. We're literally just chilling by the falls right here. It's so beautiful. And if you ever want to swim, you can definitely. And
Yeah.
if you want to hire a life vest, it's like 60 pesos,
Yeah,
which is
60
pretty
pesos.
good, pretty good price. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go down.
There's actually heaps of like boulders or like just areas you can sit down. So this can definitely accommodate a lot of tourists.
Yeah.
You can just pick your spot. You can even go closer. We're actually high up, so I'll show you. We're actually quite high up, but yeah, as you can see, there's different spots that you can set your stuff up. So we're gonna make our way down and go in the water. A little bit sketch, but it's not bad. Just focusing, trying to get down. All right, you guys, so we've made it to the bottom of the falls. Look at that. I mean, with the ultra wide lens, it looks okay, kind of small, but here are the people nearby. And that is, I guess, that's the scale of it. It's huge. Damn, I can't wait to just swim here. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. How are you going?
Cannot wait to go in the water.
How nice is it?
I'm ready. Yeah, it's
All right.
so nice.
Go. It's so slippery, guys. That's why Alex is like bobbing down. You gotta be careful here. Look at that. The wet rocks, obviously, they're super slippery. Is it cold?
So cold.
Must be freezing. I can't wait to go in. Oh, shoot. Yes. Unfortunately, my dumbass forgot the action cam. I mean, we have the action cam, the go-to, but I don't have the grip for it, so obviously it's not gonna float if I accidentally drop it. Damn it, guys, I'm so sorry, but I mean, this is the view. Oh my goodness.
Small town with no one stranger, but I'm the one brand new. Met all of my neighbors, but just remember you. Oh, that with the phone you like them. Look me up and down and you said, who are you?
How nice was it?
It was so relaxing. It was so good.
The water is cold too.
Yeah, the water's
So
cold.
refreshing.
So yeah, after that like trek, this was much needed.
Yeah.
And with this view behind me, it's so beautiful.
Guys, we really highly recommend visiting Tangadan Falls. I mean, it is a mission to get here, but it's beautiful.
Till you don't know where to go. Running in circles till it's good. I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hear my mention.
It's so good to do like one exhilarating thing when you can, if it's safe enough. And yeah, Jan and I kind of did like, not a dive, we just jumped into the water. I mean, it definitely looks higher in person than it is on video, but wow, it's honestly so fun here in Tangadan Falls. Tanga. I don't know why it's called that. So this is sort of the sketchy way back, you know, on the side of this like rocky wall. Look at that. But it's stunning though, the payoff for these views and these waterfalls.
20 minutes later.
What did you say?
Hindi ko na kaya.
We're back at the top. It's about 15 minutes down, 15 minutes up. Depends on how fast you want to do it.
Oh, so sweaty, but it's actually not that bad. It was just very, very steep.
Some parts were steep.
Yeah, I feel like I had like worse hikes than this
Oh,
one,
right, yeah.
so it should be okay.
Yeah, just make sure you're physically ready, mentally ready for this trek down and up. But yeah, so that's it for the waterfalls.
2 hours later.
So it's quite late now and it's 9 p.m. We're about to have dinner at Bucket Bass. Along the main road, so easy to find, and there's plenty of restaurants as well.
It's like a sizzling restaurant,
Yeah.
so liempo, a lot of Filipino like pork sizzling plates and all that stuff. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go have dinner.
Oh my gosh!
So it's beef mami pares, which is like beef noodles.
It's a big serving
Filipino,
though.
yeah, it's actually pretty big. And there's egg and like garlic and stuff. I've been craving soup, so this is perfect.
For me, I actually got pork chop and got the same meal. So there you go. Now we're just waiting for Jan's meal. So we just finished dinner at Bucket Bar, and honestly, such a nice vibe in that place. They've got live music.
Oh my, it was
Yeah.
so good. The
The-
vocal was so good.
I know, like even the first performer, which was this random
yeah.
lady, but she was incredible. And then there was a small band that came to perform, and they were just
So good.
incredible too. All right, you guys. So it's actually the next day, and we're about to leave La Union. And I guess I just want to recap like what this place is for, like in our opinion, I guess. And it's not so much like a crazy adventurous getaway. It's more of like a quiet trip out of the city, because Manila is, you know, it's dense, it's packed, it's busy. Here in La Union, you go here to relax at the beach. You might want to go for a surf.
In Urbus Tondo Beach area, there's actually a lot of restaurants there, and even along the road as well.
Yeah.
There's heaps of bars, like Cheno said.
Yep.
So have fun here. Come here with your friends, your family, and enjoy La Union.
Yeah, guys, we hope you really enjoyed these 2 vlogs that we released in La Union. And if you did, leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, because we're exploring more of Luzon. And so I guess we'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.